Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a comparison of three powerful programming languages, Python, Go, and C++. Choosing the right language can be a game changer. Whether you're kicking off your coding journey or adding a new weapon to your arsenal, we're going to break down the strengths, the weaknesses, and the ideal use cases for each of these languages. We'll be looking at their speed, their readability, and how much they're used in different fields. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of which language aligns best with your goals. So, buckle up, grab your favorite coding beverage, and let's get right into it. First up, we have Python. Print, hello world. Known for its beginner friendliness, Python reads almost like plain English, making it super easy to pick up, especially for newcomers. But don't let that fool you. Python is incredibly versatile and packs a punch. It's widely used in data science thanks to its powerful libraries like pandas and NumPy, perfect for crunching massive data sets. And if you're into web development, frameworks like Django and Flask make building web apps a breeze. Python's extensive community support means you'll find tons of resources, tutorials, and a helping hand whenever you're stuck. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, reliable and adaptable to many situations. However, Python does have its limitations. It's not the fastest language out there, especially compared to compiled languages like C++. But hey, sometimes readability and ease of use outweigh raw speed, right? Overall, Python's a fantastic choice if you prioritize getting things done quickly, diving into data science, or building web applications. Next we have Go, also known as Golang, developed by Google. Go is all about efficiency and simplicity. It's designed to handle the demands of modern multi-core processors and large-scale applications. Go's syntax is clean and minimalistic, making it relatively easy to learn and read. It's like the well-organized toolbox. Everything has its place and you can find what you need quickly. One of Go's standout features is its concurrency support. It handles multiple tasks simultaneously like a champ, making it ideal for cloud computing, server-side applications, and highly concurrent systems. Go might not have the extensive libraries of Python, but it's catching up fast. Its growing community is constantly developing new tools and frameworks, making it a strong contender in various domains. If you're looking for a language that's fast, efficient, and built for scalability, Go is definitely worth your attention. Chapter 3, C++, the performance beast //C++ code example hash include int main sd.count. Hello world. Stead endl, return 0. Finally, we have the veteran of the group, C++. Known for its raw power and control over system hardware, C++ is the go-to language when performance is absolutely critical. It's used extensively in game development where high frame rates and responsiveness are paramount. Think of C++ as the finely tuned sports car of the programming world. It requires more skill to handle but delivers unparalleled performance. C++ gives you granular control over memory management, making it ideal for resource-intensive applications. It's also a highly portable language, meaning you can write code on one platform and run it on another with minimal changes. Now, C++ does have a steeper learning curve compared to Python or Go. Its syntax can be more complex, but mastering it unlocks a whole new level of programming capabilities. If you're aiming to build high-performance applications, dive into game development, or squeeze every ounce of performance from your hardware, C++ is the ultimate tool for the job. So which language will you choose to master? Each has its own strengths and ideal use cases. Python for its versatility and ease of use, Go for its efficiency and concurrency, or C++ for its raw power and control. Ultimately, the best language for you depends on your specific goals and interests. The journey of learning a programming language is an exciting one, full of challenges and rewards. Let us know in the comments below which language you're most excited to learn or are already using in your projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights.